Samsung has introduced Samsung Galaxy A55, the powerful and pocket-friendly handset. Samsung has introduced the new Galaxy A55 series of smartphones. That is expected to hit the markets in a very few days, and is going to be the latest budget smartphone by the company. The new Samsung's Galaxy A55 is fitted with a collection of features and specifications to make it more reasonable as compared to its predecessors. This Samsung Galaxy A55's very well-known and amazing Exynos 1480 chipset, along with a 2.4 GHz octa-core CPU, ensures that it will deliver mind-blowing performance. With these powerful processors, the new Samsung Galaxy's A55 is equipped with a massive RAM of 8 GB and an internal memory of 128 GB, which is enough to store a lot of data in the future. Users will have a dedicated memory card slot on this Samsung A55 in order to expand the memory of the phone. It looks a lot bigger as compared to its previous models. Because the new Galaxy A55 6.4-inch enormous 6.4-inch Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display. It's a fully HD display that can support a high resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and a powerful AMD RDNA GPU. You will have impressive performance, especially for content lovers. Samsung Galaxy A55 offers a quad-camera setup that consists of 50MP, 12MP, and 5MP sensors, which is enough to take the entire photography experience to the next level. On the front, there is a single 32MP selfie sensor. Samsung's Galaxy A55 is going to spend the whole day with you because of its large 5000 mAh battery, by just charging it once. With the support of 25W fast charging, the Galaxy A55 by Samsung will fill itself in a couple of minutes.